Hello everyone, and welcome to the unboxing video for the Samsung Galaxy A20. I'm upgrading from the A10e, and please excuse any footsteps that you're going to hear because I'm in a basement, but the show must go on. So I had to start the process off camera because it's the exact opposite of frustration-free packaging. Everything is glued down real tight, and there really needs to be some consideration for how disabled people can open these things. But politics aside, let's get to the phone one-handed. Okay, it's in the Boost Mobile box, and now we're actually getting to the phone. The phone itself is probably less frustrating, even though it has this little tape on the side. That's a lot less than what was going on with this fully sealed off box like this. Alright, got the tape off, open up the sides, and bam. Isn't it gorgeous? It is... The point is that it's bigger and it has a better camera resolution than the A10e. And the A10e will not go to waste. I'm actually going to donate all of my phones to some local, you know what I'm saying. It's the best thing to do with a phone, either to recycle it or donate it to a local place that gives phones to battered women and children, or any otherwise identified people escaping domestic violence situations. And there's also this program called Phones for Veterans, hosted by like an auto sales company that is also here in Minneapolis, that I'll be donating the other phone and this phone too, the phone that I'm recording with. It's a whole lot of what you've seen before. The little key here, and the charger, and the battery pack, and the safety manual, and this nice white, I think, recyclable plastic. Yep, recyclable plastic. Alright, y'all, thanks so much for joining me with this unboxing, and y'all take care, and I'll see you later.